If you haven't got your gun license, if you haven't put your name on one of these, what are you doing with your life? And if you haven't subscribed to Doug Monos on YouTube, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe to the channel, like this video. We've got more great stuff coming up real soon. I appreciate you all. So as promised in that second last video, we're going to take some of these guns and really try and stretch them out as far as what I'm capable of. So we're going to start with the new CZ515. So I'll just show you a good look at it again. Beautiful piece of gear. Now we've got a gong set up here. So we're going to start, we're just going to use the odometer in the car, go 100 meters at a time. We'll keep hitting the gong as long as we can. And then when that becomes impossible for me, we'll move to the gas bottle, which we're not going to come and repaint it each time. I've just painted them so it's easier for me to see when we start getting out at some distance. We'll be doing the shooting from the tactical shooting swag in the back of the car. And because we were getting the best groups last week, we used the Federal 40 grain full metal jacket for the 22 Magnum. So we'll start with that gun. Yeah, let's get rolling. See how far we can stretch out. I said 500 meters was my target. This gas bottle, I mean, I don't know, they're probably like a 400 or 500 mil wide target. Usually the guys you see shooting, you know, at a kilometre or whatever, their targets will be like a metre by a metre. So, you know, we'll be doing pretty well. I'll be doing very well with my skill level. Alright guys, just because I fucking love this thing so much, I'm going to give you another nice close-up view of it. And we are now out at 100 meters. Going to be shooting at the gong, like I said, until we start missing that, then we'll go for the gas bottle. So gun's cleared and safe. Put that on the tactical Austrail shooting swag, and got the Federal ammo there ready to go. I'm going to jump up. Hopefully, yeah, this will be a pretty embarrassing video if I miss here, but we should get this first shot on the gong, and then we'll keep pushing back. So let's go. Alright, so at 100 meters with the 22 Magnum, hopefully should have no trouble hearing our hits from this distance. Let's see how we go. Not the most stable shooting platform, but it's a lot more comfortable than just lying in the back of the ute. Done. Clear, safe. Let's keep rolling back. So it's quite a bit of wind drift now. Yeah, even at 200 meters, the wind has picked up. I'm holding quite a way off to the right. But anyway, I've got some hits, so let's push back. Alright, so back at 400 meters now. I think we're really pushing our luck, pushing my luck. But we've got 2 mags at the gas bottle, see if we can get some hits, and then go for that goal of 500 meters. this reticle, we've got like a Christmas tree. I'm basically holding the bottom line at the top of the gas bottle, all the way the left-hand corner of the line, right at the top right-hand corner of the gas bottle. So I'll just pump through the rest of this mag, see if we can get some more hits with that hole. But yeah, it's no secret, 22 mag, like it's not much of a long distance round. This isn't long distance, but it's a pretty long distance for a 22 mag. So. Another hit, so like 2 out of 10. There once we got the hole over worked out. Yeah, it's going to get hard now pushing back further because I've run out of lines on the reticle, so we'll see how we go, but I want to get a hit on this gas bottle at 500 metres. Alright guys, so because that was a bit of a letdown, didn't get my target, and I know everyone just likes seeing mag dumps through this thing, so I'm back here at 100 metres. Let's go put two magazines through at 100 metres to finish up. Enjoy. Just off the bottom again, so we've been driving around and seen a rabbit or a rabbit terrorist. We've hopped out and we've got to take care of the situation. So. He is not a threat anymore. Alright guys, so as we all know, I can't say enough nice things about this gun. If you haven't got your gun license, if you haven't put your name on one of these, what are you doing with your life? And if you haven't subscribed to Doug Monos on YouTube, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe to the channel, like this video. We've got more great stuff coming up real soon. I appreciate you all, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.